Hi everyone, welcome to Gear Up Chale, another episode of Quincy Tech Space. And today we are going to unbox the Sonos Roam. Yep, a portable speaker, and the waterproof rating on there is IP67. It's a Bluetooth wireless, and also it has built-in mic. This is the Sonos Roam, not the Roam XL. The Roam has the microphone, the XL doesn't have that. Yeah, so let's have a look at what is in the box. Right, okay, so it has a pull tab here. Okay, pull that. Okay, left one here, just like Apple. Good. Okay, all right, so this is the room. Let's put it on the side. Let's have a look here. So this is a setup guide. Sonos, not like Apple that includes stickers, but hey, it's all good. Maybe Sonos should start making stickers, put stickers in their stuff. Why not? Yeah, so that is just a quick start guide. Nothing in here, and a USB Type-C cable that it comes with. So this is a USB Type-C to a USB Type-A. Get out. Yeah, Type-C to Type-A. Yep, everything is USB-C now these days. Apple eventually is now forced to use USB Type-C. Anyway, yeah, so that's all you get in the box. That's what comes in the box. Okay, let's take the box, put the box on the side. Let's open this one here. I love the way Sonos package the stuff. Is easy to just unbox, just like Apple outside. Yeah, so there you have it. The Sonos Roam. Yeah, if you look here on the top here, that's the microphone to control the Sonos voice. If you want to use speech, there's a microphone over there. Also support True Play, so volume down, volume up, and pause. And then at the bottom here has a wireless charging. You can use any wireless charger. It will support that you to charge it, or you can get a Sonos one. Yeah, and you can charge this wirelessly. If not, you can just use the USB cable that comes in here. There's a USB C port right there, and then this here is the power on and power off. And also, if you want to pair this with Bluetooth, this is where you go and do that. There you go here, and here you plug it into a USB adapter, and there you go. You can go ahead and charge that. And then the feet here. So yeah, it can sit this way. If you want it to sit this way, you can go ahead and do that. Or if you want it to stand, the orientation. It comes in multiple colors, but this is the white one, and I love the white one. This is a great speakers for if you want to use it in the bathroom. The waterproofing on this speakers is very great. Yeah, so it makes a very good speaker to use in the bathroom, on your water closet, or outdoor anyway by the pool. You're not afraid that if water spill on this thing, you're gonna have a problem. So IP67, that's a very good rating right there. So yeah, there's the Sonos Roam. Here, that's what you get. Sonos, then the cable. Yeah, so I'm going to use this one in the bathroom. I got a few more of this one, so that I will place around the house for immersive sound, and probably give you guys an update on their setup and how it all works. Anyway, all right, thanks y'all for joining me today on Gear Up Chale, another episode on Quincy Tech Space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.